Bonus quality, and I'm installing this Vice smart lock. Now the first step is to install the deadbolt, and I am going to use, well, you can see I have a head start because everything's prepped for me, and I'm going to use the screws that were already there. It's just going to make this a little bit simpler. This part's going to go quick. Oh, that's beautiful. The next step is to install the exterior assembly. So make sure you pass this cord through there, and this flat plate needs to line up so it slides in just like that. Voila, and it may be a little loose. The next step is to install the mounting plate. So it's going to go, it says top, this side against the door. This little wire is going to go through that opening, and then you want the flat piece through there, and then you're going to use these long screws to go through and attach to the other side. Getting these screws started is a little tricky, so I recommend doing that part by hand, and then once you got it started, then you could come back with your screw gun. Next, you want to take this off of this part, and then it's going to line up here. Now, a couple things need to happen at this point. You need to connect the wire. Okay, and then you want to make sure this lines up with this guy. Now, per the instruction, when you line this up, you want this piece horizontal and that guy vertical, and it should line up for you. Oh yeah. So now we've got that lined up, and I'm going to screw these guys in. Now, the openings for these guys are kind of small, so my screw gun didn't fit, so I had to use a little bit smaller screwdriver, but no sweat, easy to get those guys in there. Oh yeah, coming together. Okay, next I'm putting the batteries in, and here's a pro tip. There's a ribbon back there. Make sure you keep that behind the batteries so it's easy to get the batteries out when you need to switch them out in the future. Next, I'm going to install the handle. You've got the exterior part and the interior part. The interior part has the holes for the screws. This is pretty straightforward. You just slide that guy in, and then screw from the other side. The installation is complete. It looks great. Now let me show you how to use it really quick. This is like one of my favorite features, is how easy it is to use. To lock it, push and hold this guy. How slick is that? Then we programmed a pin code, and then we also did our fingerprint. I'll show you how easy this is. What? This is a great product. It was easy to install, less than 30 minutes. I recommend it.